Do you have a few minutes that you can spare? Literally, a few minutes is all we need to be able to start earning some money online, just to type a few words online. Our method for today will work perfectly on your phone, your computer, your tablet, or any device you have available. As long as you have a stable internet connection with it, then that's perfect. The more words you're able to type, then the more money you're going to make. So let's say that you type a 5-minute worth of words, then you can earn $50. If you type 10 minutes worth of words, then you can make $100. And for 20 minutes worth of words, you can earn $200. And for 1 hour worth of typing, you can make $500. Can you believe it? You can start with our strategy as soon as you finish today's video because it's the only way you'll know how to do everything correctly so you can make the amount of money that we promised you. As always, we're going to be walking you through this whole process step by step, and we're also going to be dropping some amazing bonus tips and tricks to use this method to its fullest and to make the most amount of money possible. So if you don't want to miss any of that, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First website that we want you to take a look at is called Ask Wonder, and to get to their website, you just have to type in askwonder.com, and that should take you to right here. This is their website, and to officially begin with the whole money making process, scroll down to the most bottom part of the page until you see this. Earn while you learn. Join our team as a research analyst. Then you're going to click on apply here, and then that should take you to this page. As you can see, earn money using your brain, work when you want, and learn, expand your resume and your mind. How does it work? Number 1, you're going to visit the research dashboard when you're ready to start working. Number 2, you're going to assign to a request to work on. Number 3, you're going to find answers or sources and synthesize your findings. And number 4, you're going to submit your work and you're going to celebrate. To get started, you first must apply online. You're going to complete their online application and let them know that you're interested in joining their simple research community. And next, you're going to get accepted. You're going to show them your research skills via a simple online quiz and trial assignment. And lastly, you're going to start researching. You're going to explore open requests, dive into research, and say hello to your fellow researchers. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now that we've gone through pretty much the entire webpage, that's our main focus for today, it's time to sign up, and basically you're going to fill this very simple and quick application with all of the details being asked of you. So your email, your name, your password, and once that's complete and correct, you can hit on sign up, and then you're going to be asked to confirm your email before anything else, and this is how that email should look like. So make sure that you look for this email in particular and simply click on activate account, and ta-da! Welcome to Wonder. It's that easy and that quick. As soon as you have yourself a Wonder account, you can immediately start with the different typing jobs that are being offered and literally start earning just like that. So right now, I am currently on my research dashboard where you can see there are just so many research questions displayed, and all of these research questions we can just choose from and start earning from right this second. And the way that we're going to be able to answer as much research questions as possible, or maybe even all of the research questions available for the day, is by using a simple Google trick that we're going to be getting into in a few moments. But this Google trick that I am going to show you is basically going to be doing all of the work for you, so you're not even going to be doing anything yourself. That's why our method for today is super beginner friendly as well, because you don't need to do any work on your own. So let's get into our examples right now so that you guys know how to start and make money already. But before that, if you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So this is an example of a research question, and there are obviously lots, but we're gonna choose this one as an example. And it says, what were the most expensive TV shows produced in history? Now this seems like a fairly easy question, and to be very honest with you, it's super easy to answer on your own because I bet you have a few ideas yourself, but we're not here to answer any of these questions ourselves because that defeats the purpose of today's method being easy and perfect for beginners. So let's just get into our Google trick. Make sure that you copy that chosen question of yours, and then you're going to open up google.com. You're going to paste that question on the search bar, hit enter, and right off the bat, you're going to see millions of answers and different articles enumerated, basically answering this question alone. So what you want to do is choose any like this and make sure that you choose the one that basically has the perfect answer for your question. And we're just going to choose this one as an example. We're going to click on it and copy the answer to your question from this article, or you can copy the entire thing if you want, if it's relevant. It doesn't matter. And then the next step is to open up Google Docs and paste whatever your answer to the question is. Just like what we're doing right now. Make sure it's neat and formatted properly so that when you submit this, it's going to be easily understood and you're going to get paid even more than what you've expected to get paid. Also, aside from neatly formatting and fixing it on a Google Docs file, you're going to earn even more cash if you actually add photos to each movie or TV show that you've enumerated. So for example, like what you're seeing on our screen, every TV show that we've enumerated, that's, the most expensive TV show produced ever, all time, they all have corresponding photos so that your client or your reader can see like what TV show you're actually talking about in your answers. You may not think that makes much of a difference, but trust me when I say this, it does, and it makes a huge difference. So make sure you do it according to how we taught you. Once you've completed one answer to one question, you can right away submit this file to the question that you've just answered on Wonder, and immediately move on to the next question, and to the next one, and to the next one, until Wonder just runs out of research questions for the day. So make sure that you use this method and use everything to its advantage so you really can make the most money. So that's it for today's video. Let us know how it goes in the comments down below. And that's basically everything. But before we wrap things up, we're going to have a little recap. So the first thing that you want to do is actually open up askwonder.com. You're going to apply as a researcher. And then as soon as you have yourself an account, as soon as you're signed in and you're going to see all of the research questions, you're going to choose or answer everything basically. And you're going to look for your answers on google.com. You're going to copy the entire answer to that you found from Google. You're going to open up a Google Docs file. You're going to paste it on there, post corresponding photos to whatever it is you're talking about, to whatever it is you're answering to, so that there's more visuals and not just words, because everybody loves a good photo or two. So do that, and then after that, you're going to submit it. Then you're going to move on to the next question and repeat the same process over and over again. So make sure you do that, and that is finally basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.